Okay, hi everyone. This is Kamal from CMD, and yeah, back to more videos. So today I'm in my house with some retards. Like one is Noel lah, which is the most retarded guy one. And then Chao Wei. No, he's not a retard, but join the gang, man. Okay, and there's this Pikachu shielding at there, using Thunder Wave. Yeah, and then there's JK, which is Natsume or Omashu.
Omashu, yeah.
Omashu, he's Omashu. Natsume, he's Natsume. So, but maybe we'll change the Omashu. Okay, so today this is a video about as you can see on the background is WS thing. So this is like a pre-order thingy. So I'll pass to him to talk about it.
My turn.
Yep, obviously.
Yeah, so CND currently is trying to bring in WS so
Yay.
yeah, it's up for order
Yay.
They're going for each box for $100 each If you buy more, like maybe one carton, maybe got discount. Just PM me, okay?
Yeah, no worries one. You see the 店长 so kind,
discuss,
Yeah, confirm can one. You just come here and say you want one carton, and then we will bring you one side one, we will bring you one side and whack you. No lah, don't whack you lah. Discuss lah, okay lah. So for those who like Idolmaster or Fate Zero, yeah, this might be the series that you want to start in WS.
Yeah, this is the current latest
yeah, so that's why. Yeah, so if you want, you can PM him lah, or you just SMS him, can?
Just PM me for the time being.
Yeah, and then your Facebook.
Yeah, Facebook just find Jian Kun, or you just find Love Inori, can already.
Jian Kun, Love Inori. Okay, so I'll put his link in the underbar there also. So for those who want to pre-order any of this series, right, just PM him lah, okay?
Okay. This one I think pre-order ends around 10 of June.
Yeah, so you have to be quick lah. Yeah. So by the time I upload this video, there should be left like 1 week or 1 week plus.
But don't worry, we will have more upcoming series and we will be opening.
Yeah, not only this one. No worries.
Okay. For example, the upcoming will be what? Excel?
Yeah, Excel. Yeah, like August lah. So if you like Excel, you can start, right?
Then as we mentioned in the previous video that we will have Sympho here.
Yep.
During June 28.
So we will have no pre-orders for that lah. So maybe when it release, you guys come down, we will make a video update lah, and then we will upload it directly, and then you guys come down and buy a carton, then we clap for you. Okay, so shut up. Okay, so this is the end of the video.
Before this flash news we will be opening a pre-order for certain deck cases which are currently available for pre-order we will update none other than the Dark Couple tree.
Awesome!
Yeah, so the Dark Couple tree, the character, etc. Just PM me, and the best is got picture, then I help you see can order or not.
Yeah, just PM lah, everything just PM only.
That case going for $10 each only.
Yeah lah, so cheap right? Then if you know Facebook, if you don't have Facebook, some other business as like if you don't have Facebook, right? No worries, just come down CMD, right? Then talk to John, and then John will pass to JK, which is Natsume, okay? Okay, so
Thursday I'll be there.
Yeah, he will be there every Thursday. He will be the 店长,
so far,
for Thursday.
So far.
Yeah, okay, so this is the end of the WS pre-order thing. We will have more of this video soon when other pre-order come out. Okay, so thanks and stay tuned for more. Bye.